Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
नमस्कार, यस समयको लेटेस्ट अपडेट लिएर तपाईहरुमाझ उपस्थित भएको छु। जति पनि सीबीएसई द्वारा एक्जाम दिने नानीहरु हुनुहुन्छ अनि आईएससी र आईसीएससी का एक्जाम दिने नानीहरु हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँहरुको लागि यो भिडियो अति नै महत्त्वपूर्ण छ। सीबीएसई अथवा सेन्ट्रल बोर्ड अफ सेकेन्डरी एजुकेसन, जसले क्लास 10 अनि क्लास 12 को एक्जामिनेसन कन्डक्ट गर्दछ, बोर्ड एक्जामिनेसन, उहाँहरूले एउटा नोटिस अथवा प्रेस रिलिज जारी गर्नुभएको छ। अनि यो प्रेस रिलिजले के भन्दछ म तपाईहरुलाई क्रमैले पढेर सुनाउने छु। प्रेस रिलिज: CBSE will be holding examinations of remaining subject from 1st July 2020 to 15th July 2020. It has come to the notice that due to closure of schools because of spread of COVID-19 and lockdown, some students are now not present at the station from where they were appearing in the examinations prior to postponement of the examinations, and it would be difficult for them to appear in the scheduled examinations from their existing examination center. Keeping in view the problem of the candidates who have shifted to other district than the district of the examination center, CBSE has decided to shift their examination center to the present district. In this regard, notification will be issued by CBSE in the first week of June 2020. Such candidates are informed that they should remain in touch with their schools, and as soon as CBSE issues notification, they are advised to take suggested action. सेक्रेटरी अनुराग त्रिपाठी ले यो जानकारी दिनुभएको छ। जति पनि स्टुडेन्ट्सहरु हुनुहुन्छ एक्जाम दिनुहुने क्लास 10 अनि क्लास 12 को, तपाईहरु यदि आफ्नो सेन्टर भएको डिस्ट्रिक्टमा हुनुहुन्न भने तपाई जहाँ हुनुहुन्छ त्यही एक्जाम दिन पर्ने हुनेछ। अनि यसको जति पनि अरेन्जमेन्ट तपाईको रेस्पेक्टिभ स्कुलले मिलाउनेछ अनि तपाईले स्कुलसँग आफ्नो स्कुलसँग सम्पर्क राख्ने जानकारी दिनुभएको छ। यो हो सीबीएसई स्टुडेन्ट्सहरुको निम्ति क्लास 10 अनि 12। र अब म तपाईहरुमाझ काउन्सिल फर द इन्डियन स्कुल सर्टिफिकेट एक्जामिनेसन्स अथवा आईएससी अथवा आईसीएससी को म तपाईहरुलाई पढेर सुनाउन लागिरहेको छु। यो प्रेस रिलिज छ। Due to the ongoing lockdown and the coronavirus pandemic, CISCE has received requests from schools' parents for a change of the candidates' examination centers. This is due to the fact that some candidates are currently not present in the school, state, city, district from where they have been registered for the ICSE and ISC year 2020 examination, and have requested to permitted to take the remaining papers of the examination from another city, state or district. CISCE will allow the candidates to appear for the remaining examination paper from an examination center located in a CISCE affiliated school in the state, city, district where they are currently located. The request for a change in the examination center must be formally routed through the school from where the candidate has been registered for the year 2020 examination, latest by 7th June 2020. Schools may upload such request on the career portal of CISC under the Examination System Center Transfer. No payment will need to be made for such request of change of center. The candidates who are unable to take the remaining papers of the examination owing to having been adversely impacted by COVID-19 will be permitted to take the examination at the time of the conduct of the compartmental examination. Detailed guidelines for the conduct of the remaining papers of the year 2020 examination shall soon be sent to the examination center by CISCE. This has been issued by the Chief Executive and Secretary of the Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination. र एकचोटी तपाईहरुले भिडियोलाई रिप्ले गरेर सुन्नुहोस् अनि यसमा डिटेल सीबीएसई अनि आईसीएससी आईएससी का स्टुडेन्ट जति पनि हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरुले कतिवटा एक्जाम दिन पाउनु भएको छैन र उहाँहरुको निम्ति यो नोटिस अति नै इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ। अन्य न्यूज अनि जानकारीको निम्ति तपाईहरुलाई हामी फेरि अपडेट गरिरहने छौं। हेर्दै गर्नुहोला सिक्किम क्रोनिकल।